This is an episode from the Three Kingdoms. Zhou Yu ordered Zhuge Liang to manufacture 100,000 arrows within 10 days. Zhuge Liang said, "Give me 3 days." He also signed a pledge placing himself liable for punishment should he fail to complete the order. Zhou Yu ridiculed that Zhuge Liang was looking for self-destruction. On the one hand, Zhou Yu ordered his troops not to provide Zhuge Liang with materials to make the arrows. He also sent Lu Su to spy on him to find out what was going on. "Save me, please." He asked Lu Su to lend him 20 boats, each lined with straw-made scarecrows and manned by 30 soldiers. He requested that Lu Su not tell Zhou Yu what was happening. When Lu Su came again to see Zhuge Liang, he did not find anything unusual.
Nothing happened on the second day either.
In the small hours of the third day, Zhuge Liang invited Lu Su for a boat ride. The 20 boats were tied together with strong ropes. Zhuge Liang's fleet sailed toward the camp of Cao Cao. A thick mist had spread over the surface of the river. People could hardly see each other on the river. When Zhuge Liang's fleet got close to the Cao camp before dawn, Zhuge Liang ordered his soldiers to shout and beat drums to fake an attack. Zhuge Liang and Lu Su simply sat inside one of the boats and drank wines to enjoy themselves. As soon as the Cao camp heard the shouting and drum beating, they mistook it for a surprise attack by the Zhou Yu camp. "It's an attack! To arms! Hurry! Defend the camp!"
To discover how this story unfolds, be sure to watch until the very end. If you enjoy stories like this and would like to support our channel, please like, and subscribe, and join our growing co-community.
Since they could see nobody on the river, they gathered 3,000 bowmen and ordered them to shoot arrows towards where the shouting and drum beating came. The front of the scarecrows was quickly shot full of arrows. After a while, Zhuge Liang had his fleet turned around to expose the other side of the scarecrows. When this side was also shot full of arrows, the day broke. Zhuge Liang ordered his soldiers to return to their base port.
Thank you, Cao Cao, for your arrows! What a gift! Hooray, we're ready now! Thank you, Cao Cao! Let's go!
After they got back to their camp, they collected more than 100,000 arrows from the scarecrows.
Zhuge Liang successfully fulfilled the impossible task.
Zhou Yu was left shocked by Zhuge Liang's brilliant strategy.